This wonderful land and home is in Perkins, Oklahoma, only 10 minutes from Stillwater and an hour from Tulsa or Oklahoma City. There is a security gate with keypad and an 8-camera security system that can be monitored through an app. This gorgeous 4-bedroom, 4-bath home has a new roof in 2019 and new leaf filter gutters that never need cleaning. The detached garage has a walk-in safe room. There is a spring on the property that cattle drives on the way to Stillwater used. It has never gone dry. It is partially captured by a fiberglass tank. This perfect 60 acres is visited by deer, turkey, and other wildlife. The back pond is stocked with bass, black crappie, channel cat, and bluegill. The shop is 60 by 77 and features a 2-bedroom apartment with office, a 2-post 15,000-pound auto lift installed new 2019. There is a second undeveloped home site at the corner of 104th and Union with power, septic tank, and a well. There are also 2 1,320 feet long grass airstrips. To inquire about this most excellent property, contact Margaret Kaiser at 580-310-5940.